Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2014 Lexus GX 460 premium package in the tungsten pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a low mileage local Calgary car with a clean accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, headlamp washers, LED fog lights, front and rear park assist sensors, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, power folding side mirrors, headlamp washer switch, heated steering wheel, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, wide view monitor system, lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, 8-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, 17 speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, heated and ventilated front seats, capability controls which include the crawl control, the Kinetic Dynamic suspension system, sunroof, black interior in great shape, power folding third row, rear entertainment system, rear climate controls with heated seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.